Admit it, YouTube, you hate doing sales. And I get it. I totally get it. I understand you hate doing sales. Hey, I understand. And I've got a solution for you. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of CPA Suite. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull it successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Skip ahead. Feel free. My jokes can be a stale as well. Last week's Dunkin' Donuts, they get hard really, really fast. You'd be surprised. Yeah, seriously. If you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? It's enough, okay? Seriously, it's enough. The guy drives me crazy all the time. Yakety, 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 over and over again. You'd think he could get a new line by now. Anyhow, the way things work here, that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, this is a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker, so, you know, I get her, even if she does like to go ahead and drive me crazy with, you know, the usual whatever. Anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for, actually, let me grab my pen over here real quick. I want to show you something here. Okay, this is the sales page for CPA Suite. Now, if you're not familiar with CPA, so CPA basically is a way for you to make money like this. See this here? $332, okay, and that is in the last 24 hours, okay? Seriously, that's real money. All right, check this out, okay? Another one, $298, okay? $298 again. Look at that number, $298, 24 hours, okay? That's real money. And this did not involve any sales, no sales. Period. You don't have to sell a damn thing, okay? You're not selling anything to anybody. That's the really, really cool thing about this. It's real money they can really make. Now, how does it work? So CPA, and if you're familiar with CPA, by the way, just bear with me for a moment. I want to explain to people who aren't familiar with it. CPA stands for cost per action. Basically, what that means is that instead of selling something to somebody, like I'm selling this course to you, or the software actually to you, instead of selling something to somebody, what you're going to do as CPA is all you got to do is get them to click the link and say, I'm interested in finding out. You're kind of doing pre-sales. Basically, you can get people to put in their name and their email for information about the product, and that's all you got to do. You don't have to do anything else, okay? Seriously, nothing else needs to be done in order to be able to make these kinds of sales, okay? Now, I want to show you how the software works, but before I do, I want to tell you about my custom bonus, because I have the best custom bonus you're going to find for this particular offer. So first of all, a lot of CPA sales involves doing advertising, okay? So advertising, you're going to be, and you know, I know a lot of people are going to start saying, Eric, I don't want to spend money on advertising. No problem, okay? I'm going to hook you up with $250 worth of free advertising, completely free advertising. You don't have to spend a dime. Go ahead, get the advertising, put it out there, invest and for free basically with this advertising, get it done, and then once you start making money off of this stuff, you can reinvest the money to buy more ads. Okay, I'm going to give you 8 different courses on how to do advertising for super cheap pricing on all different kinds of networks. Plus, you're going to find out how to do $250 worth of free ads. Now, on top of all that, I'm also going to give you 20 premium WordPress themes. Okay, these are things that people paid anywhere from $20 to $100 a piece for them. You're getting them completely, totally for free. Now, beyond that though, if you pick up any upgrade to this package, okay, any upgrade whatsoever to this package, on top of everything else that I'm giving you, I'm also going to be giving you my own SEO Explosion software. This is software that's designed to help you to rank in Google so you can actually get free advertising to these offers. You don't have to spend a penny for it. All you got to do is learn how to rank, and my software is going to help you to do that. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area. So you can see here that this is basically a done-for-you system where all you got to do is click a few buttons. So the first we're going to do here is going to go here to create campaign. Okay, we'll give it a name. Let's call it debt, or let's call it insurance. Let's try insurance. Why not? Okay. So people want insurance, you know, during COVID, a lot of people are worried about life insurance, for example, they want insurance. So we could search for the word insurance. Okay, I did a few different searches. I tried debt before, but we can put in insurance over here as well in category. You can also see there's dozens of networks you can choose from, but we're going to leave that blank for now. We're just going to choose insurance. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so you can see here, for example, get my health care. Okay, so this is if somebody needs health insurance in the United States. All right, this is a very, very common thing that people are looking for. Okay, it pays $5. And again, you do not need to go and worry about getting people to buy the thing. All you got to do is get them to click and say, I'm interested in learning more. And you give them a free gift for learning more, for example. And a lot of the times they give you a free gift. If you were to click here, it'll actually take you to the website where you can sign up for this offer. Okay, but let's leave that alone for now. Let's go ahead and go to offer library. Okay. And what we're going to do is like this. We're going to go ahead and actually, we're going to go to my campaigns and we're going to create, let me get my face out of the way here. We're going to create a campaign. Sorry. Okay, so it's going to be insurance again. All right. All right, and then we're going to do insurance over here, insurance over here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead, and you can see actually more things came up this time. All right, it's sometimes a little bit weird, but anyhow. So let's go ahead and choose, sure, let's try this one, legal insurance. Just, you know, for the sake of using it, so you can see here, we selected it. All right, now what we're going to do here is we're going to go and go to my campaign, sorry. All right, and you can see here, we've already got it set up. We got the insurance set up, okay, and we can add in a particular template here. So you can choose a template. So for example, we can use the money template here, okay, and you can basically edit the entire template to be able to go ahead and put in whatever details you want, and you can give away a free ebook, or you can give away the themes that I'm giving you. Again, you got so many different options here. It's not just insurance, obviously. There's many, 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 many different options available. Okay, and basically you just click a few buttons and you're done. You type in whatever you wanted to say over here. Okay, you click next. You see here's the download page for your free offer. Okay, and then you can click next again, and you're going to put in the details, which campaign you're going to be promoting. You can also capture people's emails so you can send them other offers. Okay, and you can see here, you can basically put in all the details. You can put in the name of the product. You can put in the squeeze page title. Okay, you can put in whatever you want over here, and then you're going to click create funnel, and you're done. You got your funnel ready. Okay, you can also go to ads. Okay, and you can actually search for ads that are pre-made for you. So let's see if there's anything for insurance. I don't know if there is. I haven't tested it yet, actually. Okay, so you can see here, here's an ad, compare auto insurance. You can go ahead and click save on this. And you can actually go to the ad library, and now you can actually edit that ad and use this ad, okay, to actually go ahead and start doing advertising in order to make money. And again, with my custom bonus, you're going to get $250 worth of free ads, okay? You're going to get 8 different courses on how to do ads. I'm also going to give you 20 different WordPress premium themes. These are not free themes, they're premium ones that people paid good money for. You get them for free, you can sell them, give them away, do whatever you want with them. Okay, my cats are upset with me for giving these things away. You can hear them in the background arguing. And basically, if you pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you my SEO Explosion software in order to get you even more free traffic. So let's see if I am going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, wasn't it? I mean, seriously, you know, this thing is super cool, and you don't have to do any sales. You don't have to sell a damn thing in order to make money. This is the answer to your dreams. If you hate sales, grab this one. This one's worth it. You're going to love it.